We thank our South Korean client for purchasing EA250WH5 indoor LED display. EA250WH5 is a next-generation indoor LED display featuring a cabinet thickness of just 30 mm, making it thinner and lighter than standard indoor screens. It utilizes a fully front-serviceable design, saving installation space and reducing maintenance costs. The module employs a hub connection design, eliminating the need for separate power cords or additional cabling, to ensure highly efficient and convenient installation. Its ultra-slim profile incorporates fine-pitch technology to deliver stunning image quality, while support for full front maintenance and hub connections simplifies setup. 6 size options are available to flexibly meet the requirements of various application scenarios.